Are you facing any of these hardships? Structural issues, unpermitted work, or condemned house property is dated or in need of repairs? Financial distress such as medical bills or foreclosure? Sudden or unexpected life events? Death of a loved one? Job loss? Downsizing or relocation due to retirement? Relocation or job transfer? Inherited property you can't keep? Damage from a natural disaster? Vacant or problematic rental property? Facing foreclosure? Undesirable neighborhood? Tired of living in an ugly house? Divorce? Need for cosmetic fix-up? Liquidating assets to pay bills? Troublesome mortgage terms? And many more. The process. Appointment. Complete contact information sheet. Call our office to schedule an appointment. On-site review. Closure Escrow will contact you for an on-site appointment. Cash offer. Appointment set. On-site review completed. Closure Escrow will submit a written cash offer to purchase your home. Stress-free and cash in your hand. Why work with Closure Escrow? What makes us different? Written guaranteed offer, flexible closing date, no closing cost, trust that you are working with licensed professionals. No out-of-pocket cost, no additional work to your property. Cash offer. Competitive. We buy as is, no repairs or updating required. Transparent from start to finish. Changing the way America views home flippers. Call us today, 619-417-2275, to schedule a free, no obligation appointment with Closure Escrow to receive a cash offer today.